Good, good, क्या हो गया? Good morning, everyone. Today, Ayatul Kumar have got an opportunity to speak on a very interesting topic, which is given in our GD, which is social distancing, the new world order. Yes, it is a topic to talk on, but I think that it is not possible in the countries like India because the population of India is so high that the social distancing is not possible. Because if we see when the social distancing was necessary, then also people were not obeying the social distancing and uh, were not maintaining the perfect distance. So in my opinion it is very difficult to make them know about the social distancing order so that they can follow it.
So, good morning, everyone. So, we are here to discuss about the current scenario, means the social distancing, which has been offered by our current government to follow. As we all know, there are well-known diseases communicating like COVID-19, and many more diseases are newly known to us that are very much communicable when there is person to person interaction. So for the prevention purpose, this may be used regarding the prevention. So that was my intro. Thank you. So everybody please discuss regarding
Good
this topic.
morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhinav Kundu. Today, our topic is social distancing, the new world order. So, first of all, I want to say one thing that this social distancing has been introduced due to the famous disease that is coronavirus, which is named as COVID-19. And yeah, as in India, as we are in India, it is not possible to maintain that social distancing because most of the people are not aware of that, and they are also even they have been introduced about this disease, then also they are not taking the precaution. So I invite all to continue this GD.
Good morning, friends. Uh, as my colleagues Atul, Anand, and Kundu said, social distancing is being implemented in our country after the spreading of COVID-19. But I think that social distancing is uh, being implemented before COVID-19, and this is very tactical practice. This is very tactical practice that is implemented in our country to spread the infectious disease, for instance COVID-19. This is not a new concept, as most of societies have been aware of that value of keeping away from the infectious virus. So this is a very powerful plan to save our society from the disease. That is the introduction for the our social distancing. Thank you.
Very nicely introduced the topic by my colleague. So I would like to include some more valuable points regarding this prevention. That is the social distancing. Social distancing is one of the prevention which is recommended by the government to the people so that the disease must be spread by lesser number. So as we all know that there are many circles have been drawn in the railway stations and many more public places, which is where one person must lie in one circle, and that from that point 2 meter that is the distancing and another person should stand. So that is the very much good initiate taken by our government in the public places. And I would like to say that is the same that's the planning regarding the circle is also followed in the big multiplex and the queues before the ATM lines, bank ticket booking counters. So this is the very best idea which government has introduced.
Okay, I will interrupt you in between. That you are telling that there will be a two meter gap in between two persons. So do you know that if
There
there,
is.
if yes, there is, if then if we continue this in our future, as it was in the Corona time, so the public on the road was very less. So the requirement of the space to stand, the number of people were less. So we can extend the space so that the people can manage themselves. But now when the Corona time is ending and everything is becoming normal, everything is going back to the work. So how is it possible that if you are getting 100%, you were making them standing in that circle before, but now it
Continue,
is.
continue.
अरे उसी को बोलना है हमको सारा. So I was talking that as the population is will increase when the everyone will get out of their home and started work, then if we do that circle thing, then is it possible to maintain the same number of people as before? Now the circle will must be have to be double, so the area must to be have to double, and the land area which we have now is already less for the number of people we have. So how do you think that the social distancing thing will work in the situation like
Yes,
now?
I would like to answer this one. As this the space problem my colleague has discussed, the government has already told regarding the number of member to be out for the any work. Means if they want to purchase something from the market or anything they want to do personal work, the from a family only 1 or 2 person is allowed to come out during this pandemic. So the government has
Yes,
already taken
you
the
are
steps.
talking.
But
Yes, I was also
Yeah,
yes,
I
talking
but
just
about.
want
I'm
to,
I
I
was
coming.
just
not
I'm
want to
talking
coming.
about
discuss the
the
one
period
thing.
of pandemic. I was
Yes, yes,
talking
yes.
about
But
the
I'm
normal days
coming
when
that
the
the
everything is getting normal. Then people
yes,
will
yes.
not stay in home.
As everything is getting normal, yes, I totally agree with this point that the space problem is there. There is not that much space that we have to draw very number of circles and the people will come. I know, I totally understand. But what we can do, we can do some invention, we can do something regarding this one, because we should have to maintain some social
Sorry to
distancing.
interrupt you, Mr. Anand. What type of invention will you do?
Yes, just like I would like to say that the engineers should make some project regarding the sensor inbuilt in the watches, which can alarm the
In
distancing
new
between the
world,
people.
sorry to interrupt.
So the
In new
so the
in
people
new
should be
world,
aware of the social distancing. But regarding the circle, there is no nothing in my mind.
Okay,
I
to
don't.
whom you will
Like,
give watches? Everyone
Ha,
can't afford the
the people.
watches.
No, 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 no.
yes, everyone can't
The
afford watches, or everyone can't afford the a smartphone, or
there
what
is
you are going to
everyone has
use the
some smart
sensors.
everyone has smartphone, so
No,
there is a
no. This
software
is not.
coming in
If
that
you
No, no,
which
if you
no,
always
go in.
alarms you
no.
regarding the social
Not agree
distancing.
No,
with
the
you,
daily
Mr.
wages
Anand.
worker. Have you seen their mobile phones? The daily wages worker.
Okay.
They use the phone back in the which we use
In
in
the
after
in the
before
new
10 to
in the
15
in
years.
the
Instead,
new world, in new
guys,
world.
1 minute, one. I just want to introduce one point of instead, as Anand told that instead a new invention, instead of that social distancing, as after everything is okay, nobody is going to maintain that social distancing. So that nowadays everyone is most of the people, not everyone, wearing the mask. In that case, the social distancing can be replaced with that.
Wearing the mask is another thing, and the social distancing is another thing, Mr.
No,
Kundu.
yes,
It is
but
not
No, no,
another
yeah,
but
thing,
the
it is
yeah. I
solution
am
different
is
just
from
This
the
but
is another
but
thing.
social distancing is not possible.
I am
But
just giving
wearing
an
mask
example. I am
is
just giving an
possible.
example that
Everyone can wear
Wearing
mask.
his mask is necessary,
instead of
and
social
following the
distancing,
social distancing is
they
not.
can use the marks also. No, that as you people are telling that the circles there will be more problem, more people will be introduced there, more people will go outside. Yeah, if they can also use the mask. No,
Yes,
that
mask
only I'm
can be
saying.
afforded by everyone. Mask and
Yes,
and
that
a
only I'm
bottle of small pocket size sanitizer. It
But
can be
but
carried by
following
anybody.
but following social distancing is not considered in mask using mask.
Sorry,
sorry. I
I
can't.
can't get
What?
what are.
I totally understand with Aniket point that he want to say that social distancing is not possible to follow by everyone, but mask can be affordable. Okay,
Yes.
I totally agree with this point. Mask is affordable, but as we all know that the mask cannot be helpful in a very close range with infectious person.
Yes,
Means the
that's why we
huh.
wear masks so that the close
No,
range
no, while
conversation can
mask,
be
while the
protected.
N95 mask is also not that much protective regarding the
They
infectious person.
no. Now
So the
nowadays
mask is not only
the
one
new
issue.
N95 mask, if you see, there is no holes in there. You are talking
But
about the
everybody
Yeah,
holes,
yeah.
cannot
but it
I
afford
it
agree
is
with
N95 marks. No,
yes.
N95 marks are very much limited. They are already only used for by the doctors and the very much
no
surgeons
no.
that are
If a
This
not
is
for
person,
very
the.
wrong. This
if a
is very
person
wrong.
cannot afford a N95 mask, then how can you say that all people of India going to afford a smartphone and the technology introduced by you engineers?
First of all, I just want to say that
People
N95
are
mask
already
is
using
available
smartphones,
everywhere now.
Aniket.
No.
They have inbuilt
Yeah,
softwares.
If you are
Yes,
saying
they can
that
download.
everyone
not the
is not
all
having
citizens of
N95
India.
mask, which is just costing 60 to 70 rupees, and you are talking about the smartphones which cost around
No,
6
no,
6000 to
I'm not.
700 rupees.
I'm telling that the N95 mask is not that much in a huge quantity. They are very much limited,
No, no.
which is
No,
only
I
for the use
totally
of.
disagree with you
no.
on
Yes,
this.
India
yes.
becomes
The
the
I
biggest
totally
production
exporter.
production is increased nowadays. I totally agree that the production is increased as the normal days are coming. But before, means during the
yes.
pandemic time, there was
Again
such
and again, I am
scarcity.
talking about that the pandemic time is going to over. I am talking about the normal days when the people are
Yes,
back on
yes.
the roads.
In the new world, in new world
Yes.
era.
Then I am talking about
In new
then.
world era, the most one thing that people can use that is marks only. Nobody is maintain. Nobody will maintain that
And
social
But
yes,
the
distance.
government has
okay.
suggested to follow the social distancing, my bro.
I will
Okay,
just add
bro.
one
Tell me
more
one
point.
thing. No, no. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, yes, okay.
Anika, tell me one thing that if everything is normalized, okay, and you are in your family, not you only the person that you are earning, your father is also there, so in your
Yeah.
family will you when there is when you are going to do the work or you are going to the office, that time your father will also go to his or her own office and you will also go to your own office. So how can you say that?
Government has introduced social distancing at public places, not at your home or at your uh,
No, you only
office.
told. No, you only told. No, that government has told that only one person from the family
Yes,
will
yes, yes.
go to the work. In this case, we are talking about that everything is normalized.
In this
Then
new
what
world,
will happen?
work from home is also introduced. Why all persons goes to office?
Again, you are mistaking that
there
here.
are there are two types of job. One is indoor job and another is
Hmm.
outdoor job. Okay, the sanitation facility, the railway workers, many more laborers, they do not sit
Yes.
on laptop and just do work. Okay, Aniket, you understand my point?
So in that case, what
Yes,
you are
yes,
going
yes.
to
I'm
suggest?
understanding.
So my colleagues have discussed regarding the major issue raised due to the social distancing, as it is not possible to hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
As it is very hard to follow. It is not only in India. There are very huge populated country where social distancing is very much not followed by the people because they are a very densely populated area. So it is a very serious issue that the people are not following the social distancing, as there is as the fault is not of people, as there is a space problem, as there is some that type of area where social distancing is very much hard to follow. So I
No,
understand
in
with
this
the
point
points.
I will disagree with you that that this is not the problem of people. If in my talk I will say that this is the fault of people
I have
because
told that not only the fault of
yeah,
people.
no,
People
I
fault
because
is
when the
there.
time was there to make social distancing, then also people were seen that they were wandering on the roads with no work. They didn't have any work. They just came out just to see how the lockdown works. So this is not the
It's
thing
the
to do.
mentality of
Okay.
people. If they don't want to get
Yes. So
prevented from
these are the
COVID or
fault
many
of
more
people, and
diseases,
I will add one more
if the
point that in the flight section, if you see that the airplanes company have limited the number of passengers in the flight. So have you seen the hike in the price of the airplane tickets? This will affect huge
Yeah.
on the normal public. If this is
And
continued, if
earlier
this is continued in the
if you
social
are
distancing
going.
also, then it will be really hard for a normal people, a normal guy, a normal daily wage guy, sorry, middle class family to travel anywhere in the flights. The price will be very high. which will be not affordable by
Yeah,
everyone.
that is also one thing that, and nowadays, if you are going to take the flight, then you have to, it is must that you have to go 3 hours earlier for the screening.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Earlier this is not the fact that you can go half an hour ago and you can enter in the airport. But nowadays you have to give 3 hours
Come
more
to the topic,
before.
Kundu.
yes.
We were discussing regarding the
This was
social
not
distancing, not the
regarding the
screening
topic. Okay,
process.
no problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Something was added, but
Just I am just giving an
and
example.
again,
No, no, that
I
is not
will add
relevant.
one more point that in the social distancing, when we check out in the airport, the size is limited. The size is limited. There are 100 people in the line. But if we follow the social distancing, where these 100 people will fitted in that same place, if we follow social distancing. So no, in my opinion, it
Atul,
is
please take the
not
example of
possible.
Sabzi Mandi. Why are you taking
Yes,
the example
even
of
the example
airports
of
where
subject anywhere you can take example of anywhere it is not possible to follow social distancing for in our future. It is
पंद्रह
really
मिनट हो चुका
not
है.
it's not.
possible.
I am agree with you, Atul, that it's not possible to follow, but it's the only one solution to survive without the infectious disease.
No, there are a lot
No,
more
no, it is
solutions.
not
Agree or
only
As
the
not?
we
one
speak that
method.
a
It is
mask,
not only the one method.
sanitizer,
Yeah.
a proper sanitization will protect human
This
being.
this is
If
this is this is another reason, and this is another issue with this with this pandemic.
even when we did
But
social
but
distancing, then also it
but
was
but
mandatory to wear
we
masks.
are talking about talking about the future.
Yes, I am talking about the future. In future,
Yes,
social distancing might be not followed, but the mask thing can be followed by anyone. As the helmet, as you talk about the
mask
helmet.
can be followed, but we are talking about social distancing.
Yes, that's
Social
what I am
distance
saying.
Yeah,
I
it
am
can't.
saying the
He is
is
telling
solution.
no.
superior.
He
I
is
am
telling
talking
that
about the
it can't
Is
be
solution.
social
followed.
distancing the new order of world?
No, in no. So now I am giving the solution that instead we can wear mask and take a pocket size sanitizer with us, which is a much lot affordable and we can do it.
But
Yeah,
in social
guys. Now
distancing,
please conclude,
we have
everyone.
nothing to afford.
No, how you can say that in social distancing there is nothing to afford?
Yeah.
Do you know the
No,
viruses
no,
can
no.
travel in air? The viruses can travel
If
in air. So if you are open, then
if you are going to Mandi and you are taking a social distancing, then you are safe. And if this mentality was followed by every citizens of India, then every citizens will say
It is totally depend on the people, Aniket.
yes.
So I would like to just give some interesting point here regarding the invention of social distancing. Okay, so the idea where it came. So in my opinion, the social distancing might be came
time is
from the
going to
person who
up.
is infected.
Yeah, everyone has to conclude now.
I'm just giving point. Please give me 1 minute. The distancing, social distancing idea maybe come from the person who might be infected from the COVID-19, and the doctors may be using that prevention purpose. So that idea must be from there to the common people also, that we don't know the infectious person around us. So we might take some steps regarding to be prevented from the COVID-19. So that was the might be the idea regarding the social distancing. So finally, I would like to conclude with the few points regarding our topic. First, our topic was there for the prevention from communicable disease. Okay, so our colleagues had discussed regarding the agreement or disagreement regarding that it is not possible, it is rarely possible. These were the discussing points. So finally, I would conclude with a closing point that the everything is possible. Okay, but the government has already introduced many awareness programs. Government has done many things regarding the awareness, but it totally depends on the person. If the people does not want to get protected from the such kind of COVID-19 diseases, so nobody can help. This is one of the major issue. This is the one of the major protection, social distancing. Not only one. People may use different types of masks, as my colleagues has introduced N95 masks, the sanitizers. So these may be used, but social distancing is also one of the prevention technique we can use. Thank you.
So now I want to conclude overall that that our topic is what is social distancing the new world order. okay, that this social distancing in pandemic situation only it is not been maintained, then we can't say that after in future it will be maintained. So according to me it is not, and in that case we can use the masks, yeah, hand sanitizer, and we can keep ourselves more clean and be hygienic. For that, in that case we can protect ourselves from various diseases. So thank you everyone.
Now I'm going to conclude. I think that, according to me, I think that it is hard to follow social distancing, but it is possible to follow, and this is one of the solution of this is one of the solution from prevention of disease, from infectious disease from, sorry, this is one of the for solution uh, for safe,
For getting prevention.
for getting prevention from the infectious disease like COVID-19. And thank you.
And after the discussion, I think that we are all divided into two groups, that social distancing is possible and social distancing is not possible. If I say that social distancing is not possible because there is a very scarcity of land nowadays, to even the if someone want to live, they have to live in apartment. So if we do social distancing, then the area must be doubled, which is not possible. So it is in my opinion that social distancing is not possible in the future world. Instead we can use, as my one of my friend Avinav Kundu said, that we can use mask and have a sanitizer pockets as sanitizer in our purse or carry bag. Then we can protect ourselves. It is really hard nowadays, in the time where everyone gathers on the road to protest for something, anything small or big, and we if we say that follow social distancing, it is really difficult to follow. Instead we have to take another measures. We have to think of some secondary options, which is far more better than social distancing. Yes, social distancing was good when it was necessary, but in my opinion now it is not necessary. Instead we have to think something else. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.